beautiful. Guys, we're at the Swan now. They have a fountain. This one is a little bit smaller. So let's walk and see. It's a crazy place cool. Wow! The place is cool, guys. They have like a breakfast place. So I get the ham and cheese croissant breakfast. I get this over the Swan. But it's a nice name. I want to look like marketplace yourself. Get your Starbucks, oats salad, fruit cup, fruit salad, coleslaw. What if I had a look at things? You know, it's nice. Alright guys, so walking in. Still at this one. So then after that. Over there, so nice. I just get breakfast. Egg croissant and chocolate tea. Them have them Disney shop for the gifts. Yeah, you can go in and check out the shops and everything like that. Spin, walk. That's true. See, nice. They have frozen drink section over here. Not really open up yet still. It's nice. You know, later this will turn up because where's the place at? It is gonna be crazy. Here they have the kimono, the sushi bar over here. And you can see, and Golden Grove, 2 different restaurants. Nice. Wine pool. You see it? Yeah. So that's the Swan. What if other things over there too? They also have a pool table, table tennis. It's nice. Vibe. Guys, I'm outside the games room. You know what time it is. Yep. Come on. Here goes nothing. Ooh, yeah. They make it loose. They make it loose.